Hi, my beauties. My name is Jan Benham, cosmetic formulator for Perez Cosmetics in the Netherlands. My makeup philosophy is simple. It should be quick, natural, and above all, it should make you feel like the best version of yourself. Makeup isn't just about how you look on the outside, it's about how you feel on the inside. It's a powerful tool that can boost your confidence, help you feel comfortable in your own skin, and enhance the unique beauty that already exists within you. Makeup should never be a mask that hides who you are. It's not about changing your skin color with foundation or altering your features to fit a standard. That's why, at Perez, our mineral foundation is designed to seamlessly cover imperfections whilst feeling weightless. You won't even notice it's there. Our lipsticks are crafted to bring life to your face, enhancing your natural warmth and vibrancy, while our eyeshadows are formulated to make the color of your eyes truly stand out. Of course, a bold look can also be a fantastic way to express yourself. It's all about finding out what makes you feel confident and true to yourself. With Perez Cosmetics, you can celebrate your natural beauty and shine in your own unique way.